Alam mo yung feeling na sobrang hype ka sa new you, tapos after 3 days, wala na. Not because tamad ka, not because weak mindset ka. Kadalasan, because you tried too much too soon. Today, we'll talk about counterintuitive truths. Doing less make you more consistent. Hindi ito excuse para maging lazy. It's a strategy para maging reliable. And yes, it's a challenge natin yung common self-improvement means like go big or go home. It's not hard, it doesn't work. Motivation is everything. If you are the type na nag-start ng routine tapos nagpe-fade, this is for you. Let's build a system that survive bad days. Here's the real problem. Most people design habit for their best day, yung day na complete sleep. Walang stress, walang biglaang responsibilities. Pero life is not consistent. So how can you be routine B? Common means number 1, discipline means doing a lot. Hindi discipline means you do what you said. You'll do even small, especially when you do feel like it. Common means number 2, if you feel not pushing, you're not improving. Pero kapag palagi kang pushing beyond capacity, ang results burn out. Burnout doesn't mean you're weak. It means your plan was unrealistic. Common means number 3, consistency is personality trait. No, consistency is a design problem. It design start with doing less. Example, nag-commit ka mag-gym for 6 times a week. Day 1 and 2 okay, day 3 pagod, day 4 may meetings, day 5 guilt, day 6 quit. Anong nangyari? You didn't fail. Your plan collapsed. So let's rebuild from this first principle. First principle thinking means alisin natin yung quote, hype, and cultural noise. As what must be true for consistency to exist? Here's the core. Consistency happens when the action is small enough to fit your worst normal day. Let's break it down. To repeat behavior daily, you need 1. Cue, reminders. 2. Capacity, time, or energy. 3. Low friction, easy start. 4. Reward, brain say, worth it. If your habit too big, it's attack especially and increase friction. So even motivation is highly today, tomorrow it's not. Truth, motivation is volatile, but tiny action are stable. The goal is not to max effort, the goal is repeatable effort. Here's the mindset shift. When you do less, you stop treating consistency a dramatic performance. You treat it as a boring, reliable process, and boring is powerful. And doing less doesn't mean you never grow. It means you grow after you prove you can repeat. Consistency first, intensity later. Here's a simple framework I use, the 2-2-2 rules. No magic, just practical. Step 1, 2 minutes minimum. Pick the smallest version of your habit that takes 2 minutes. Yes, 2. Because 2 minutes fit almost any day. Example, fitness 5 push-up plus 10 squat, reading 1 page, journaling for 3 sentences, meditate 10 slow breath. Step 2, 2 levels. You make 2 modes, minimum modes for bad day, bonus mode for good day. Important minimum modes is a real plan, bonus is optional. Step 3, 2 anchors. Attach the habit to existing routine. After brushing teeth, after coffee, after lunch, before shower. Anchor removes decision fatigue. Hindi mo kailangan hanapin yung time. And here's the myth we crush here. Consistency means never missing. No, consistency means returning quickly. A consistent person isn't perfect. They fast to come back. Now here your simple daily habit that 1 reps reset. Purpose to prove your brain that I'm the kind of person who show up. 1 reps reset for 2 minutes. 1. Physical reps, 5 push-up or 10 squat or 20-second plank. 2. 1 mental reps, write 1 lines. Today I will be consistent with. 3. 1 environment reps. Set up tomorrow's cue. Put book on the pillow, shoe near door, journal on desk. That's it. Example day. Pag sobrang pagod ka, instead of I fail, you do 1 reps reset. Bakit? Because the win is identity continuity, hindi napuputol yung thread. And if you feel good, do more. But the rule is never required more. Required only meet the minimum. Quick tips, track it stupid simple. Just a dot on the calendar, not for productive flex, for proof that you can keep a promise. If you miss a day, do this. No guilt, no drama. Just reset tomorrow with 1 reps. Because guilt makes the habit heavy. Light habits come back faster. Let's reflect. Real talk. Maybe hindi mo problema yung discipline. Maybe over-ambitious yung plan. So ask yourself, what the smallest version I can do even the bad days? Where I can acquire it? How do I make easier to start than to avoid? Remember, you're not building a perfect week. You're building a life that doesn't collapse when life gets messy. If you want, try 1 rep reset for 7 days. Not to transform your life in a week, but to rebuild trust with yourself. If this helps you, can like the video or subscribe, no pressure. And comment what habit you will shrink to 2 minutes, I'll read it. Calm progress tayo dito. Better self daily.